Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to fix Messenger DP or profile picture not showing problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to Play Store, click on search bar, search Messenger, update Messenger app if available on Play Store, tap on hold Messenger, click on app info, click on storage and cache, tap on clear storage and tap on delete. Swipe down notification panel, turn on flight mode or airplane mode just few seconds. In this way, you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.